I'm here at Sugar Sands on the Northumberland coast for Ice Dip Social. So that is in and out of the cold water. This is the North Sea. It is so cold here.
How snug is it supposed to be?
I've got a wetsuit, I've got a cosy changing robe on, and we have a sauna tent, we have a fire, and we're going to be going in and out of the sea all day.
Right, okay, so I'm about to go in the water. Let's see how it goes. This is the first dip of many, so we'll see how I go. Yeah, so far feet are cold, water's trickling down the back of my wetsuit occasionally, but nowhere near as sorry, I almost fell under. Nowhere near as cold as I thought I'd be.
Dip 1 is complete. I'm now out, got my change robe back on, keep cozy, and have a hot cup of tea.
After a spot of lunch in the cosy mess tent, it was time to start a series of 6 dips. And to make it even harder, I was only going to wear half of my wetsuit. I found this first dip so cold and really struggled to submerge myself. There's some research that shows you acclimatise to the cold after 6 dips, so we'll see how I feel later on. Thankfully, the sauna was super cosy.
This is number 2 of 6. Oh gosh, okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh god! Oh god! I don't think I can do it without a wetsuit, you know. I feel much better this time. Last time I did not feel good. Next one will be better.
By dip 3, although the water still felt cold, I was absolutely loving it.
Dip number 5. Right, let's go. So there's just one more after this, and the next one, I'm supposed to not wear the wetsuit on the bottom half, so we'll see how it goes. I'm in, and I'm gonna swim in 3, 2, 1. I'll try without the wetsuit for the next one. Oh, there'll be another leg pull. You ready?
2 seconds. Go. That was so good.
I'm stuck.
I'm not going to show you the rest, but I did have to call in some help to get me out of my wetsuit.
About to do our 6th and final dip, this time without a wetsuit. Let's see how it goes.
I never thought I'd be able to swim in the North Sea without a wetsuit, let alone enjoy it. So much so, I actually didn't want to get out at the end.
My whole body is tingling. Into the sauna.
And that was Ice Dip Social finished. I swam in the sea 7 times and honestly loved it, though I'm not going to pretend it wasn't cold. And you know what? I can't wait to do it again.